No.
Natural smile.
Just smile. This is Kaylin with the Hawaiian outfit ready to go to the pool. There she is. Hi. Playing silly. She is almost 4 years old now. Wave, Kaylin, wave. Put your legs down. Shh. Put your legs down, sweetie. Okay. Wave, bye-bye. Hula hoop time with Kaylin. Whee! That was fun earlier. There we go. She is learning. She is learning. That is so good. Wow. Good. This is her first time.
Hey.
Hey.
Not fair. Hey, not fair.
Wiggle your buns. There we go. Wiggle your hips.
Good job.
Good, good. Wiggle your hips. Wiggle your hips. Good job. All right. Okay. There's a little frustration there. We're gonna try again. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Good. I think you did good. Okay. Woo! Okay, that is so good. We are here at Fresh School. Hi, Kaylin, can you wave?
I'm gonna just set it right
She's
down
working
here.
with the clay.
And it'll, when you're done,
Their
you can pick it up,
Discovery
okay?
Days, year 2002. There's a discovery. What did you discover there?
Are you going to be able to help?
Yeah. I'll be right there, right?
A bit of Play-Doh, not too much. Just take some Play-Doh and make something on your plate.
It went blank.
Well, it's recording. I'm recording you right now.
Hi.
Hi.
Come on, Mahako. I don't want to get taken. How many minutes? 2 hours. It's 0. Let me see. There you go.
Does anybody
This
want
is show
to?
recording. Yeah, it is
The
recording.
baby's gonna be it. I'm gonna help her.
Okay.
Where are spoons? Oh, there they are.
Where's the harmonica?
No, we're not doing the harmonica now.
What are you doing, Kaylin?
I'm helping the baby.
You're making music?
My baby. I'm showing how the baby can do it. There. Now, I'm gonna video. Because you gotta help the baby now. Try to video that.
No, it's okay. You go play. I'm going to video you.
So I don't want the harmonica and then see the spare of the 2 minutes there. It's she's tired now.
I'm not tired. I just want everybody. You help me now. With the baby.
Okay, I'll babysit the baby. Mommy's had the little owie here. I have to put ice on it.
You kick the turn, put your feet, put the ice here, and then put your feet. Okay?
Yeah. My temporary ice is peas. Green peas, those little ones. That helps.
Yeah, that's true.
I'll help you walk.
Hi, sweetie.
Sir?
Let me kiss.
Sir.
Sir? Okay.
Sir, can you please come down? I'll help you walk.
Well, sweetheart, mommy has to sit here for 10 minutes so I can have her cool off.
Well, I'll help you walk.
I can walk, it's just I have to cool off. Okay, sweetie. Okay, you can play.
Does anybody want to watch me and my baby? Because I'm going to teach the baby.
Oh, I'm going to watch you. I'm here. Yay. I'm watching, sweetie.
Good job.
And Tina is watching.
Of course.
Of course, there's a special show. I love to watch you. Dun, da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Dun, da-da.
Not a baby, not sleep. Present me. It's finished. Now, Tina.